So now that you've got Grok in your Tesla, you may want to impress your passengers. So that's what I'm going to try to do in this video, show you a way that you can impress your passengers when they get into your car by having Grok already enabled. So I'm going to go and pick up my daughter's husband, my son-in-law, but he's in his mid-20s, so he's probably not going to be impressed by this because he uses AI, I'm sure, and he's very technical, so this probably won't faze him. So I'm probably not going to get the best reaction. But anyway, I'm going to show you how I can set up Grok to welcome him when he gets into the car. So let's see whether this works. So let's first choose the best voice for this. Hey Grok, how you doing?
Hey, doing great, thanks. What's up?
I just want to try out your voices.
Sure. I'm speaking in my deep male voice as Sal right now. What do you want me to say to demo it?
What about this voice?
This voice? It's like if Benedict Cumberbatch smoked too much and tried rapping. Hot, though.
No, it was awful. What about this voice?
I hope my voice feels more soothing this time, like a gentle northern breeze.
No. No, let's try this one.
What one are we trying now?
You're on Rex at the moment.
Yeah, I'm Rex. What's up?
So in a minute, I've got a passenger getting into the car. His name is Connor. And when he gets in the car, can you welcome him and ask how he's doing or whatever? But he's also just got back from India. So maybe ask him about what he's been doing there and when he got back and all that sort of stuff. So can you do that when he gets into the car?
Sure, I'll welcome Connor when he gets in, ask how he's doing, and chat about his India trip, like what he was up to and when he got back. Just let me know if you want me to tweak it.
So are you going to be ready listening out for him to get in a minute?
Yes, I'll be ready and listening for Connor to get in any minute now. No worries, I've got it covered.
You all right? Hello. Good. Yeah? Yeah, fine, thanks. Good. It's not working. What is it? What's it supposed to be? Hi, Connor.
Hi, Connor. Welcome aboard. How are you doing? And tell me about your trip to India. What have you been up to there? And when did you get back?
Oh, it's a shame. It should have recognised your voice and started talking.
Oh, that's weird.
No worries. Glad it worked out. Hey, Connor. How's it going? Spill the beans on India. What was the highlight? And when did you just get back?
So yeah, Teslas have got Grok built into the cars now.
Ah, okay.
Right. So this is coming through the Tesla system. And you can...
Teslas do have some cool built-in smarts these days.
Grok.
Hey, Connor. Good to hear from you. What's up? Still keen to hear about your India adventures if you've got a sec.
You're stuck in a loop now, yeah. You can't recognise different voices at the moment, can you?
Yeah, I'm not set up for voice recognition between different people yet. Just going off the conversation flow. Sorry if it's looping a bit. Want me to chill on the India questions for now?
Yes, please.
No problem. I'll drop it. What else is on your mind? Or where are we heading?
It's a shame this was a fail. I did the same with my daughter the day before and it worked well. That's one issue with AI, is that there's often no consistency. But do try this when you have friends getting into your car and maybe you'll get better results. Also, let me know in the comments below how you impressed your passengers with Grok. There's a link below if you want to see other Grok in Tesla videos. Okie doke, I'll see you on the next one. If you like the video, please do click the thumbs up button and leaving a comment also helps too. Plus of course subscribe if you're not. There's the super thanks button if you'd like to go further, especially if a video has saved you time or money. There's over 1,200 videos on the channel, so have a browse, use the search and have a look at the playlists. And here's 2 videos you may want to check out.